Taxi! Call it square. Chaliye. Today I'm headed to a very famous and legendary Pice Hotel. This small eatery was named Hindu Hotel, which changed to Shadin Bharat Hindu Hotel post the independence of our country. The place has been witness to heritage times and has been part of amazing stories, which include Subhash Chandra Bose, or Netaji as we address him today, being a regular here with his university friends, or of the place being used as a hideout for many freedom fighters of the time. This place serves authentic Bangali and Odia food on a banana leaf, and I can't wait to grab a seat and try out some delicious, fresh, homely cooked food here. Alright, so we have Arunangshu Panda, who's the third generation owner. Welcome to Food Spa.
Hi, this is Swadhin Bharat Hindu Hotel since 1927. I am the third generation of Swadhin Bharat Hindu Hotel. My grandfather name is Managovind Panda, who started this. यहाँ पे जितना भी seasonal vegetables होते हैं, we have not any fixed item on vegetarian food. यहाँ पे जितना भी बनता है वेज के ऊपर जो भी आइटम बनता है वो सीजनल होता है. दिन में बेस्ट अवेलेबल होता है, उसी को लेके हम लोग ने वेज आइटम यहाँ पे बनाया है.
Okay, guys, so we have our first course of the day. So we are starting off with vegetarian items.
পটল ভাজাটা 25 টাকা, উচ্ছে শুক্তোটা 30 টাকা, আমের চাটনি হচ্ছে 20 টাকা, মসুর ডাল 15 টাকা, বেগুন ভাজা 25 টাকা, আলু ভাজাও 25 টাকা, আর ভাত পাতা গ্লাস 25 টাকা.
স্টার্ট করব. আমি কি এটা উল্টো নিয়েছি নাকি? Sorry. এইভাবে. Ready? Somehow I have eaten at so many places, but whenever it comes to Bengali food, I always feel so nervous because of some of the comments which comes. See, I've spilled the Amer achar already. Chutney, sorry. Jage. So we're starting off with the vegetarian fare so that we gradually build to the non-vegetarian, as well as the vegetarians don't lose their appetite. Eta ki? Shukto. We'll start off with Shukto. The concept of a Pice Hotel is basically that you have to pay for everything individually, be it the glasses, even the kola pata which is here served. Everything you have to pay individually at maybe 2 rupees, 5 rupees each. বেশ পাতলা এই পুরো জিনিসটাই. ঝুড়ি আলু ভাজা not my favorite at all because it's normally too fried and this one looks extra fried than a normal place. So these are mere formalities. Let's move to the next item, which is my favorite, begun bhaja. I like begun bhaja being cut in dices. Normally you get a vertical cut, which I don't like at all. This is a vertical cut divided by 2, but I like it when it's round. That tastes much better. It's been cooked well, but I like my begun bhaja to have a little bit of a sweetness. Not just the natural sweetness which comes with begun, but also in the preparation at normal Bengali hotels which you add a little bit of sugar to your preparation. It might not be very healthy, but it sure tastes much better. The final item for veg which we are trying is a potol bhaja. 4 pieces of these, pretty soft. It's very fresh, but that sweetness which I was looking for. Among all of this, the potol tastes the best.
यहाँ पे रेगुलरली 10 to 15 टाइप फिशेस वी यूजुअली मेक्स. इनमें से आपका जितना भी मछली यहाँ पे आपको मिलेगा, मैक्सिमम रिवर वाटर फिशेस आपको अवेलेबल होगा यहाँ पे, और बेस्ट क्वालिटी का सामान अवेलेबल होगा.
মাছের ডিমের বড়া 35 টাকা, কাতলা মাছের ফ্রাইটা 90 টাকা.
So next up, I'll be trying out finally the mache dimer bora. Now this is a fritter made of fish eggs. Pretty big in size. It's got some chilies, a lot of onions. I wonder if they give it with any side of sauce or dip. I doubt it, but it tastes a little dry if you don't have something accompanying this.
এটা হচ্ছে পাবদা মাছের ঝাল 180 টাকা, এটা হচ্ছে ভেটকি মাছের ঝাল 150 টাকা.
Next up, my favorite katla machir bhaja. Size is pretty good, well fried. Let's look at the freshness of this. See how white this is from inside. I love this thing. It's perfect, very good. That's the beauty of coming to Spice Hotels or any other Bengali Bhatir hotel as you call it, that you get the freshest of food, especially the fishes. The ambience might not be conducive for you to come in with your family because you won't have air conditioning, you won't have a lot of space, etc. That's why we had to come early to shoot over here so that relatively it is easier with the crowd. But the pro sides is that you're going to get a lot of fresh food. Moving on, Bhetki Jal. The size is pretty good. Let me try to dig into this. It's pretty fresh. I'll take some of this gravy, the universal gravy which you get at most Spice hotels. I think this will suffice. Fish is really good. I think when the fish is fresh, half its job is done. You only have to be very bad to ruin a fresh fish. Very mildly made, not going to be very spicy, not going to be very kosher. It's going to be a very light jhol which you get, a very light gravy which you normally get at any Bengali household. Bhetki is very good. The next fish item which we have is a papdar jhal. এই ঝোলটা নেবো নাকি same? Sure. Let me try this fish. Again, this is so soft. This is so fresh. Lovely stuff here. Amazing. Once again, as is the order of the day, none of the items so far are extra spicy, extra kosher, extra fried. It's all just done in such a way so that you can come regularly, you can eat here on an everyday basis without it having its toll on your health. So that's one thing you need to keep in mind. It is a restaurant, but it's going to be closer to house food than a normal restaurant food.
এটা হচ্ছে চিতলের পেটি 250 টাকা দাম। এটা চিংড়ির মালাইকারি, এটাও 250 টাকা। এটা পমফ্রেট মাছের ঝাল 200 টাকা।
Thank you. Right now we have the special items over here. We have a pomfret, we have a chingdi malai curry, has to be there when I'm here, and there is a chitol machir peti. Taito. There's no Ilish available today, so let's start with the pomfret. Pomfret size is pretty decent. It has a lot of meat, so it's pretty heavy by the center. ঝোলটা আমি কিন্তু পমফ্রেটে নিচ্ছি না বিকজ আমি মালাই কারিটা নেব। পমফ্রেট ইজ প্রিটি গুড, দেখ আমি তোমাদের কত ভালোবাসি। আমি বেছে বেছে কাঁটার পার্টটা নিচ্ছি আর সেন্টার পার্টটা ওদের জন্য রাখছি, স্পেশালি হিমাদ্রির জন্য, বিকজ ইফ ইউ ওয়াচ দ্য বারকাস ভিডিও ইউ থট দ্যাট আই ডেন্ট গিভ হিম দ্য লেগ পিস। নেক্সট আপ, Aman is the slowest videographer ever. এটা কি মালাইকারি? চিংড়ি মাছের কি মালাইকারি? Where the malai? I'll edit it, don't worry. মানে এডিট করে মালাই দেবো না, জাস্ট কিছু পার্ট এডিট করে দেবো। Somehow the gravy of the malai curry is disappointing. It doesn't have a lot of malai. Forget a lot of it. ওটা যদি না বলতো আমার মনে হতো এটা ঝোল নর্মাল। আর মালাই কারির সাথে আলু আমি কখনো খাইনি। I've never had potato with a chingdi malai curry, but let's give this one a try. As a malai curry, it might not be good. It isn't very good, but the chingdi, the freshness once again, as has been the trend throughout, is really good. 250 rupees, two decent sizes. It's a pretty good deal. It's a little spicy. Now malai curry, you get two different types depending on which part of Bengal you are in. It's either spicy or sweet. I personally prefer the sweeter version of it. If you're a fan of spicy malai curry, this might be a thing. The next item which we're trying out is a chitol macher peti. This is not as soft as I would have liked. It's a little too kosher. Now I have my doubts regarding the freshness of this because it feels a little slightly hard. I'm spoiled over here because every other item is so fresh that this, I mean, it would have been possible had it been any other place. But since they've kind of set the bar up so high that I can say that, you know, this is not going to be as good. It tastes good. Could have been a little softer.
What I heard from my grandfather, that time Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was usually came to here and उनका एक favorite dish था, वो था पुई शाक चौचौड़ी. He actually came from Odisha, from Cuttack. यहाँ पे वो आने के बाद जब उनको पता चला कि यहाँ पे एक उड़िया होटल है, उड़ीसा के लोग एक जन बनाए हैं यहाँ पे, तो वो एक होमली फील लेके यहाँ पे उड़िया कल्चर का खाना वो बड़ा मिस करते थे, तो यहाँ पे खाने के लिए. और ये जो जगह है, दिस प्लेस इज द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ उड़ीसा एंड बंगाली फूड. एक्चुअली हियर इज वेरी कॉमन थिंग्स इन उड़िया कुजिंग एंड बंगाली कुजिंग. मैक्सिमम थिंग्स आर वेरी कॉमन.
মাছের মধ্যে দিয়ে পুঁই শাকের চচ্চড়ি, এটা হচ্ছে 25 টাকা. এটা হচ্ছে চিকেন কষা, এটা হচ্ছে 110 টাকা. চিকেন কারি 100 টাকা.
এটা পুঁই শাকের মাথা দিয়ে মাছের চচ্চড়ি. Ready? Okay, great. So, heard so much about this particular dish from so many people. Finally, it's here. We actually arrived at 11, but this particular dish is prepared towards 12:31. So, jara eta khete chao, make sure that you actually don't arrive too early because you will miss this. So, luckily, we've somehow managed to get this on time. Any Bengali preparation, if you add a machir matha or a little bit of chingdi, it just changes the entire taste altogether. So I'm expecting the same from this one. Really good. Good stuff. If you miss this one over here, you're going to be missing a lot. So just make sure you come on time. Eta ki?
চিকেন কারি.
Curry, kosha.
अनफॉर्चुनेटली आज के दिन, आज थर्सडे है, थर्सडे के टाइम में हम लोग मटन रखते नहीं, बिकॉज जो जहाँ से सप्लाई होता है मटन, वो फ्रेश काटते नहीं है मटन. तो इसीलिए हम उसी रीज़न की वजह से आज थर्सडे के दिन में आपको मटन नहीं मिलेगा.
Okay. Now this preparation doesn't look a very Bengali preparation. It's more of a chop kind of Mughlai preparation. The size of the chicken is pretty decent. इतने के बड़ो होले किंतु chicken taste भालो होबे ना. So I'm not a fan of big sizes of chicken because it invariably means that the meat is not going to be as tender. Again, the word tender. Lovely, amazing. This chicken is amazing, yeah. আমার actually এই ঝোলটা খুব ভালো লেগেছে. I wish they had হাত রুটি. This would go really well with হাত রুটি. Final is the chicken kosha. This is again not a very Bengali dish. It's more of a kasa, kind of a Mughlai, very rich dish which you have. But this is the final dish we're having. Since it's a Thursday, you don't get mutton, you ordered from the owner. This is the last bite. I think the chicken dishes over here are really good. I haven't seen a lot of people mention the chicken dishes because of the abundance of the fish items available over here. But especially the curry, the chicken curry is so tender, the juicy the chicken is. I really like that.
मसाला जो स्पाइसेस होता है, वो स्पाइसेस हम लोग ये बनाते हैं, हाथ से ही उसको रेडी करते हैं, बनाते हैं पेस्ट बना के. We are actually not using any kind of powder spices over here. Till now, we are using mustard oil, that kachi ghani mustard oil in our cooking.
We missed out on a couple of items.
এটা মাছের মাথা দিয়ে মুগের ডাল 20 টাকা. এটা বাঁধাকপির সবজি 30 টাকা.
শুধুমাত্র 30 টাকা, 30 টাকা, 30 টাকা, 30 টাকা. ভাই বোনরা শুনছো কি? দেখতে পয়সা লাগে না. Anyway, so these are the two items which we missed out. I don't think we missed out, they missed out because I was very clear about আমি আসার সঙ্গেই বলে দিয়েছিলাম সব মাছ বাদ দিয়ে বাকি যা যা আছে তুমি আমাকে সব দিয়ে দাও, সো আই থিঙ্ক দে মিসড আউট দিস ইজ ভেরি গুড, ইটস এ লিটল রানি, ইট শুডন্ট বি সো রানি, বাট সিন্স ইটস প্রাইস সো লেস I think it should be fine. Once again, as I have mentioned, anything which has machir matha, it already the taste gets enhanced. So let me try this. I have a very bad habit of reviewing food without the bite. This is not that good. So I think they should have not given me this at the end. চিকেনের টেস্টের পরে এখন এই জিনিসগুলো আসছে, কী করবো বলো। ফাইনাল হচ্ছে বাঁধাকপি আলু দিয়ে সবজি না চচ্চড়ি।
আচ্ছা বাঁধাকপি মটরের
আমাকে কিন্তু একজন বলেছিল যে সবজি হচ্ছে যখন ওটা জ্যান্ত থাকে রান্না করার পরে ওটাকে সবজি না চচ্চড়ি বলে, এটা কি ঠিক? হিমাদ্রি কিচ্ছু জানে না।
তাহলে তো সবই চচ্চড়ি হয়ে যাবে, জ্যান্ত থাকে রান্নার পরে তো সবই তো মরেই যাবে।
ঠিক আছে, যাক এটা লাস্ট বাই। দিস ইজ গুড। ডালটা ভালো না, অনেক বেশি পাতলা করে দিয়েছে, তো মাছের যা টেস্ট থাকার কথা সেটা থাকলো না আর পুরোপুরি ইট ইজ বিন ডাইলিউটেড টোটালি। Aman, how has your experience been?
The experience has been really good. I'm visiting this place after 7 to 8 years, and I really love the bhetki fish, and even the papda was really fresh. And among the starters, I like the katla machar bhaja and the machar diver boda, and the chicken curry was amazing. So overall, it was very nice experience.
What about you, Himadri?
এই আইটেমগুলো খুব ভালো লেগেছে। পুঁই শাকের চচ্চড়িটা সত্যি, এদের যে হিস্ট্রি আছে ঠিক আছে, মাছের ডিমের বড়া দারুণ।
হিস্ট্রি আছে ঠিক আছে, ওরকম কোনো ব্যাপার নেই।
হ্যাঁ আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, আবার করো। মাছের ডিমের বড়াটা দারুণ ছিল, পাবদা চিংড়ি ভেটকি এটা ভালো ছিল, আর চিকেনের মধ্যে চিকেন কারিটা ভালো ছিল, কষাটা হয়তো আমার খুব একটা ভালো লাগে। আর কি
It was a very different experience from what we usually have at the various restaurants, the fine dining or the casual dining restaurants. Food, we've already mentioned what we like, what we did. Most of the items were good. The chicken items were wonderful. Maybe barring the chitol and the last dal which we had, everything else were really good. Chingri malai curry disappointed a little. I'm very finicky about my chingri malai curry, so if they go even slightly off, then it really affects me a lot. So barring that, everything else was pretty reasonable. Service too initially was a problem, but once you've explained to them how you want things, then I think it was a smooth sailing. Also, if you want to avoid the rush, come in nice and early. But if you want to try out some of the special items, you need to come in just the sweet spot, so that you know it's not too filled up as well, so that you get a good service, and also the items are available. Apart from that, the pricing, it's not too reasonable, it's not too expensive. You have to factor in points like the kind of oil which they use, the kind of materials they procure. It's always fresh, and the prices nowadays are off the roof. So you need to keep this in mind when you're reviewing or rating someone's pricing. If you did enjoy this video, do share with your friends and family. And if you want Food Spa to cover more such similar Bhatir Hotel, Pais Hotel, etc., it's not my genre usually, but a lot of you were complaining that I'm doing only a certain kind of videos, so that kind of forced me to do this one today. The outcome was good. If you did enjoy it, do let us know in the comment section, and if you would want us to do more, you can let us know that as well. Until next time, this is Food Spa wrapping up from College Street. Cheers!
This place is situated on 8/2 Bhavani Datta Lane, near to College Street Crossing, जो कि आप इजीली माने किसी से भी पूछेंगे कॉलेज स्ट्रीट क्रॉसिंग में, दिस इज़ अ वेल नोन स्ट्रीट 8/2 भवानी दत्त लेन एंड बिगेस्ट एशियाज़ बिगेस्ट बुक मार्केट स्ट्रीट कॉलेज स्ट्रीट। सो आपको यहाँ पे खोजने के लिए, पता ढूंढने के लिए एकदम भी दिक्कत नहीं होगा। और ये शुरू होता है, हम लोगों का जो टाइमिंग है 10:30 to 4 o'clock लंच टाइमिंग है, देन आपका 7:30 to 10:30 PM ये डिनर टाइमिंग है। आजकल के टाइम में जो देख रहे हैं हम लोगों का जो कल्चरल फूड है वो धीरे धीरे नीचे जा रहा है, थोड़ा वैनिश होता जा रहा है। उसको बचाने के कोशिश तो हम लोग ने कर रहे हैं, थोड़ा बहुत आप लोग भी कोशिश कीजिए।